In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see page breaks in Notion for PDF export. Open Notion and go to the page you want to export. I'm starting from the main Notion dashboard, and from here just open the document or workspace page you want to turn into a PDF. Make sure the page is fully loaded so what you see on screen matches what will appear in the print preview. Once you're on that page, move to the top right corner of your Chrome browser. This is important because you want the Chrome browser menu, not the three dots inside Notion itself. Click the three vertical dots in Chrome to open the browser menu. From that menu, click Print. As soon as you do that, Chrome opens the print preview window, and this is where you can actually see how your Notion page will break across multiple pages when exported as a PDF. Now, focus on the preview itself. On one side, you'll have the Print Settings panel, and on the larger preview area, you'll be able to see the pages. This is the key step, because Notion does not show page breaks directly in the editor the way a traditional word processor might. Instead, the print preview is what lets you inspect those page boundaries before you save the file. Start by looking through the preview pages carefully. Scroll through and watch for awkward breaks. For example, you may notice a heading sitting at the very bottom of one page, while the related content starts on the next page. You might also see an image split in an odd place, or a block of text pushed farther down than expected. This preview gives you a chance to catch those layout issues before exporting. Next, go to the Settings panel and check the layout options. Look for the page orientation and overall layout controls. Depending on the content of your Notion page, portrait or landscape may affect where the page breaks happen. If your page includes wide tables, columns, or side-by-side content, changing the orientation can sometimes improve the flow immediately. Then open More Settings if it is collapsed. This section gives you extra controls that help reveal the page structure more clearly. Find the paper size dropdown and choose the size you want to use, usually letter or A4. Once you change that, the preview updates and shows the boundaries based on that paper format. This is one of the easiest ways to understand exactly where each page begins and ends. While you're here, also check pages per sheet if needed. In most cases, you'll want one page per sheet, so the preview matches a normal PDF export. If this setting is changed to something else, the preview can look compressed and less useful for checking natural page breaks. After that, review the margins and the scale. These two settings can make a big difference. Wider margins reduce the usable space on each page, which can push content onto the next page sooner. Smaller margins give you a little more room. Scale works the same way. If the scale is too large, content may spill across more pages. If it is reduced slightly, the layout may become cleaner. Each time you adjust one of these settings, pause and check the preview again so you can immediately see how the page breaks shift. Also look at the options for headers and footers. You can check or uncheck that box depending on whether you want extra information printed at the top or bottom of the page. Turning them off can sometimes free up a little space and improve the overall look. Right below that, check the option for background graphics. If your Notion page includes colored sections, highlights, or visual styling that matters, you may want to leave this on. If you only care about structure and readability, turning it off may create a simpler export. Again, every time you change something, glance back at the page preview to confirm the formatting still looks right. Once the preview looks clean and the breaks make sense from page to page, you're ready to export. Click Print, and Chrome will let you save the file as a PDF. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. In the Save window, choose the location where you want the file to go, then enter a clear file name. For example, you could type Notion Page Export, then save it. Give yourself a moment here to name it clearly so it's easy to recognize later in your files. After the file is saved, open the exported PDF and do one final check. Scroll through the pages and confirm that the headings, paragraphs, images, and spacing all look the way you expected. This final review helps make sure the print preview matched the finished export. Once everything looks good, you're done. The exported PDF will now be available in the location you saved it to, and you can use it, share it, or store it for later. That's all it takes to see page breaks in Notion for PDF export using Chrome Print Preview.